Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I have a giveaway. This giveaway is going to be an actual Mother's Day giveaway. I know I talked about in my live that I was going to do a giveaway, and it's here. It is here. So make sure you stay tuned. You watch my lives, because sometimes you go get a little bit of information a little bit before I post a video. So with further ado, this video is sponsored by FurTalk. A huge shout out to FurTalk for sponsoring this video and this giveaway. So all the links are down below to follow FurTalk on all their socials and shop on Amazon FurTalk. Okay, so another look I came up with was with my little shawl, scarf, I made it into a shirt. You can actually wear this, hold on, I paired it with this, but anyway, you can go to the beach, go to the pool, even wear it out in the summertime as a little top. Look how cute. So I am currently wearing, it's probably not the best way to present this video, so give me a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm a little bit more presentable for this giveaway. So this giveaway is the Mother's Day giveaway. Now, Mother's Day is May 10th. That gives us till May 10th to get you your Mother's Day gift. So I'm hoping we can get it to you by Mother's Day. If not, I'm sorry, but this is the Mother's Day giveaway. So how I'm going to be doing this giveaway is pretty easy. All you have to do to enter the Mother's Day giveaway on my channel is go to Instagram, DM me a picture of you and your mother. That's it. That's all you got to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everybody that enters. You have 24 hours to enter, by the way. Everybody that enters, I'm going to take your picture and I'm going to put it on a community tab on my YouTube channel. And what happens is people is going to like it. So here's where the tricky part comes. The person who gets the most likes on their mother-daughter photo, it could be your mother or grandmother. It could be your mother and your stepmother. It could be the woman in your life. So whoever it shall be is your mother figure in your life, or your daughter, or so forth. So everybody can participate. And if you are like me and when Father's Day comes up, you don't have a father, your father passed away. My mom is my father on Father's Day. So if for some reason your mother has passed away, I am so sorry for that. Just send me a picture of the mother in your life. So you send me a picture on Instagram. And when you send me the picture on Instagram, you're giving me permission to post that picture on this YouTube channel in the community tabs. And what I'm going to do is which photo gets the most likes wins 2 scarves from FurTalk. Now, I'm going to show you right here of all the styles I made with my scarf. And it's a shawl scarf. And you're going to get 2 of them. And you get to pick the colors. And it's going to be for you and your mother, you and your daughter, and so forth. So, and I do ask, ever who wins, between me and you, ever who wins, I would love for you to be able to send me a picture of you and your mother figure, or you and your daughter in your FurTalk scarf, so I can feature you in a video. If you could send me a video clip, that would be awesome. I would love to have a video of it. And just know that that's what I am expecting if you were to win. So that's the only downfall of it, in case you don't like taking photos, whatever. But anybody can enter. It is a Mother's Day giveaway. I'm giving away 2 scarves. And again, how this is going to work is you get to pick right here. This is all the different colors of the scarves, shawls, and you get to pick which color you want. And all you have to do is when you win, I'll ask you which color you want. You can pick 2 different colors, and I'll have it shipped to you. That's it. That's all there is to it. So it's an easy giveaway. So ever who likes these photos and gets the most likes on these photos wins the Mother's Day giveaway. That's the easiest thing I think I can do. So you better get to send me your picture so I can get you up as quick as I can. And like I said, ever who has the most likes on their photo wins 2 scarves from FurTalk. I look like a hot mess, don't I? You know why my hair is all messed up? I've been doing all different styles with my scarf, and you need to go check that video out. This video is right here. Right here. Right here. That's what it looks like. But it's down below the link, so make sure you go down there and click. Go ahead. Click on it. Okay. Did you come back? Okay. Finish this video, then go click that one. And good luck to ever who wins. And guys, is no rules. Ever who gets as many likes as they can get on their photo wins. No rules. I don't care if you share it 100 times, but they got to subscribe to my channel too. Okay. Okay. Go! And that is all for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and go to Instagram, follow FurTalk, follow me, and if you like anything you see, go ahead, check it out on Amazon and get your very own, or stay tuned for my giveaway where you could have a chance to win your very own shawl.